Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I had discussed about Conquer, an assessment tool provided by AI. Today, I would be focusing on another AI assessment tool which most of the educators use, and that is Question Well. First, you need to go to the Google browser, type Question Well. You will get this particular window. Click on Question Well and log in through your Google account. Once you log in, you will get an interface like this wherein AI will generate question of their own based on the command which you are giving. You can choose multiple choice. Number of questions you can choose either 5 or 10. Now you type the topic that you want to give for your student. Here I am going to type mode of nutrition in plants. Choose the grade level. Click on File, Text, Website option. Another interface will open for you. You can select text, YouTube or website option, which is an important feature of this. First we will take the text option. There we can type the content or copy paste based on the topic. Maximum words that can fit into is 1000. If you are choosing YouTube, then you need to paste the link and click on the search option. Automatically the content given in the YouTube video will be generated, as you can see over here, and this also you can give it for the students. For the website option, uh, you need to paste the URL of that particular website. You will get a detailed description. Even this also can be used to generate questions. Apart from these three, we can also ask AI to generate its own content based on the topic which we gave. Like for example, I have given the topic mode of nutrition in plants. So I just need to click on generate reading. AI will generate the content. Like as you can see, it has created its own content. So this is also very interesting. As of now, I am using only my own content. So click on the save. Click on the generate questions. We will wait for a few seconds till the questions are generated. On the left side, the reading material is given, and on the right side, the learning outcomes and the multiple choice questions. You can check the questions by scrolling it down whether 10 questions are there or not. We can select the questions one by one or click on select all option to export. Even you can check the answers by clicking on Google search option. Even if you want to replace the first question, then you can easily edit by typing your own question and the correct options. Once you select the question, click on the export. There you will get variety of options, like you can export these in quizzes form, Kahoot form, Google Slides, Google Form, etc. Whichever you want, you can select. Here I'm going to select Google Forms. Click on View in Google Form. You can see that the questions are being created in Google Forms. This you can give it to the students by clicking on send option. We can also choose the quizzes link. The questions will be imported as an Excel form. From there, you can take the questions and create quizzes. If you want to export these questions in Microsoft Forms, then also it can be done. You can share it easily in the classroom also. You can discuss the questions given in the discussion tab or the vocabulary words with your students. These are some of the important features. Hope you liked it. Do subscribe and thank you for watching.